Hi everyone, this is me, Vivian, here in my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well out there. Thank you so much for coming in, watching my video here. I have a very special message today for every one of you out there. But first of all, let's talk about this year 2020. It's been a very hard time for all of us, especially us, the hairdresser. It was really hard to keep distant, the 2 meter distance, and with the whole thing COVID-19. So it's been really hard here, and I want to thank everyone out there who supported my YouTube channel, who watched my video, because with quarantine time I was more of the time with you guys, like posting videos out there, and you were amazing. You followed me, you watched my video, you commented, you sent me private messages. Thank you so much, because today I achieved 1 million views here on my YouTube channel, and that's amazing. I mean, that's the best moment of my 2020, to be able to give you so much and you give me so much back. Thank you so much. And I want to say there will be many new things happening in my YouTube channel from next year. I can't wait till I can share it with you. But one of the things is, you can see in my description section down below, I'm doing affiliate program with Amazon. So if you need any Christmas shopping, New Year shopping, any birthday shopping, go on my shop here on Amazon. The link is down below, and you can find everything I would like to buy down there. So it's really easy to find, from here to electronic, everything. So that's one of the things. If you want to help me grow even faster, please, you can donate. You can see my PayPal account down below. So that will be really good and nice, so I can do more and more videos for you. So, and if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. It will help me, motivate me to do even more videos in next year, of course, 2021. And that's it. Actually, you were actually the best point for me, the best highest point from 2020. So I forgot all the bad moments, all the bad days. So thank you so much. You're the light for me, the light of this 2020. I can't wait to share more and more with you in 2021. So till then, please stay safe, stay healthy, enjoy the holidays, celebrate it wisely, and you're gonna see more and more of me in the next year, New Year 2021. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Ciao.